Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see inside this particular video, we used to drop daily updates on boom and crash index and step index trading on Deriv. And also this is boom 150 on 5 minute time frame. So I want to show you guys how we have how we are using this particular indicator to make a daily profit on our boom 150, and this indicator has been helping a lot of people. So one of the best thing that you can help yourself is to get this indicator and follow the updates. So I told you guys that this indicator does not, our signal on this indicator does not reprint. It does not reprint. Once it appear, it stay permanent, guys. It stay permanent. And we also have our support resistance, which is this our tick red 9. That is our support area, and we have our tick green 9 as a resistance level. So anytime you have your price reaching that particular level, then you should know that you're going to take your profit at that level. But how to use this particular indicator to trade is to follow the signal that appear on this particular chart. And you can see this is the arrow signal that we use to follow. This is the arrow signal. You can see this is where we have our uptrend at this particular moment, and it take that uptrend for days. It take it for a lot of hours. Up to now, the uptrend is still what is still very accurate. It does not give us another signal. As you can see, it does not give us another signal. You can see from this particular area, you can see there how the arrow trend move on a massive uptrend. And also we have another signal here which indicates to us that we should enter the market for sale. We should enter for sale. And you can see the red arrow here, and what you see next is a massive downtrend. You can see our price reach our resistance level at this particular area. So this should be our our take profit level at this particular level. This should be our take profit level. So we have another one here which is our uptrend. You can see it go on a massive uptrend, and our price reach our support level. So that should be our taking profit level. And we have another one here. You can see this particular one also, it go on a downtrend, but the market is not really well accurate at this particular moment. But if you can still enter here, you are still going to make your profits. And if you don't make your profits here, you are going to make your profit at this particular one, or you wait for this particular one. So if you can decide to take like 2 to 3 or 5 of this particular trade daily, there's no way you are not going to be making a lot of massive profits. You can see this is another one. The signals appear at this particular area, and it go on a massive uptrend, you can see, guys. So we have another one here. This indicator is working on all boom and crash index, and it has been performed wonderful, and I have been making a lot of profit with this. So you also can skyrocket your profits with this particular indicator, and it does not reprint. You can see another arrow indicator here. It moved from this particular trend down to this particular trend. You can see this will be your take profit 1, or this might be your take profit 2. So at that particular level, so let's see another one. You can see another one. It's so massive. This indicator is very accurate. A lot of people have been asking for this indicator. But guys, this indicator is not for free, because when you see something that is working, you can never get it for free. Because you want results, that's why it's not for free. You can see the uptrend at this particular area. It moved from this particular area on a massive uptrend up to this particular moment. This might be our take profit 1, and we have the second indicator here. It is second time that it reach our support level here, which might be our take profit 2, before it give us another signal at this particular area. You can see that. So another one here, you can see our arrow signal appear here, and we go on a massive downtrend. You can see this might be our take profit 1. Don't forget, this is 5 minute time frames. And you know how massive is the profit is going to be on 5 minute time frames. Even if you enter with the lowest loss size, it's going to be massive. And this also, you can see this is our take profit 1, our take profit 2 is exactly this particular area. You can see that. So we have another one here that shows to us that we have an uptrend, and this is our take profit 1. This is our take profit 1, guys. And we have another one here as a downtrend, and this is our take profit 1, and we have a second take profit at this particular area. So this particular index have been so performing well. You can see we have another one here, and this is our take profit 1, because we can see our support level reach at this particular point. So it has been performed so wonderful, guys. It has been performed great. And see, you can see a lot of the same process is what you are going to be doing. Just wait for the signals to appear, then look for your entry confirmation at this particular area. You can see what happened here. You can see our downtrend arrow and our confirmation profit level, at our uptrend confirmation level, our uptrend at this particular area. We have another one here, downtrend, and we have another confirmation at this particular point. So this indicator has been performed so wonderful. You can see that. So this indicator is very powerful, guys. It's very powerful. It works on all boom and crash index, and one of the best thing that you can do yourself is to get this indicator and also apply it and make your daily profits every day. And this indicator also works on crash 500. It also works on crash 1000. You can see how it's performed currently. Now you can see what the trade is saying on our boom 1005 minutes. You can see this. You see, if you enter your trade around this particular area, your take profits level will have been at this particular point. So you will have out of the market, then looking for the next signal. You can see this also. The same thing happen here, and your take profit will be around there. Same thing happen here, your take profit will be around there, and the same principle go for everything. You can see how massive the downtrend is currently. So this indicator has been so wonderful, and it has been making a lot of profit every day. So with this indicator, you can be making 200 to 1000 every single day with this indicator. So this indicator is very massive. You can see another one here is very massive. It's very massive. So now to get this particular indicator is very simple. All you need to do is to join our Telegram group, and you are going to get access to this indicator. Thanks, guys. See you guys in our next video.